Is the TPMS warning light on your Toyota C-HR staying on, even after you check the tire pressure? Don't replace the tire pressure sensors just yet. There are several reasons why the TPMS light can stay illuminated, and in some cases, the problem is not the tire pressure at all. Let me show you what you need to check. First, check the pressure of all 4 tires, including the spare tire if your vehicle is equipped with one. Make sure the pressure is adjusted according to the tire pressure specification on the vehicle's door jamb label, not simply the maximum pressure written on the tire sidewall. After correcting the pressure, drive the vehicle for several minutes. On some Toyota C-HR models, the system needs to detect the wheel sensors while the vehicle is moving before the warning light goes out. But if the light continues to stay on, we need to go deeper. The next possibility is a problem with one of the TPMS sensors. Each wheel sensor has its own identification code and transmits tire pressure information to the vehicle. A sensor can fail because of a dead internal battery, physical damage, corrosion, or a communication problem. This is why simply checking tire pressure with a gauge is not enough. You need a TPMS diagnostic tool or a compatible scan tool to check whether each sensor is transmitting correctly. Check all 4 sensors and verify. Sensor ID, tire pressure, temperature, and signal status. If one sensor is not transmitting, that sensor should be investigated before replacing anything else. Another very common situation happens after installing new tires, replacing a wheel, or changing a TPMS sensor. The sensor may be perfectly good, but its ID has not been registered or relearned correctly. Toyota systems can require the sensor IDs to be registered in the vehicle's TPMS system. Using a compatible diagnostic tool, check the stored sensor IDs and compare them with the actual sensors installed on the vehicle. If the IDs don't match, the TPMS warning can remain active even when all 4 tires have the correct pressure. So, if the TPMS light on your Toyota C-HR won't turn off, follow this order. Check tire pressure. Check all 4 TPMS sensors. Verify sensor IDs. Perform the required relearn or registration procedure. And finally, scan the TPMS system for fault codes. Don't replace expensive parts until you know exactly which component has failed. If you found this diagnostic tip useful, follow for more Toyota and Lexus diagnostic tips. If this Toyota diagnostic tip helped you, hit the subscribe button and follow Mechanic 1 SHO for more Toyota and Lexus repair and diagnostic tips.